So welcome. We have our special guest Tim back. So Tim, it was only a couple days ago that one of us was asleep.
That was me.
And can you tell me a little bit about what you've experienced since you woke up?
Total transformation of my mouth.
Wow.
I have a smile now after 12 years.
Oh my gosh. And that's not a denture on top, right?
No, it's not.
That's your own teeth now.
Yes.
Wow. And how many offices over the last 15 or 20 years would you say you've gone to that they couldn't help you?
At least 25 to 30.
No way.
Yes.
Oh my gosh.
And then I walk in here and meet you, and immediately you say, I can help you.
Wow.
The proof is right here.
Yeah. Check that out. Unbelievable.
I'm totally amazed.
Yeah. Well, you know, we're so happy to help. That's our mission. That's our goal. And you're living proof that it's possible.
Yes.
Awesome. Thank you.
You're welcome.